Alright, y'all, so I'm going back to my first job, which was holding the flashlight for the boys, you know what I'm saying? Making sure, you know, he could see what he see. I'm working on this old Mini Cooper. I gotta make sure my boy straight. See?
Try to start it.
Flashlight hold the skill right there. Look, I'm right there, right on what he's trying to get. That's how you're supposed to hold a flashlight. I hate when people hold a flashlight for me.
Try again.
And they ain't in the spot it's supposed to be. So I'm right where he at. See? Right there. I'm right there too.
Distributor and pamma galiba.
See? Now what he looking at. That's how you hold a flashlight. See that wire right there messed up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta resolder that wire. So my boy about to get to work, get a cracker. See? I found it because I was holding a flashlight.
For sure. For sure.
I don't know nothing about these old minis, man. Well, cars are cars, so you know, once you get it, you get it. But that's it, dog, right there. Yeah, so that wire broke. So now I'm replacing the distributor wire with the new one. Let's see if the car starts now. Alright, so now that's replaced. Now it's time to put the distributor back in the hole. Let's see if he can find the hole.
That's what she said. That's what she said, right?
Back on my flashlight job.
Yeah, it's a us.
Oh, he in there. You must find that whole gang of time.
That's what makes it honestly. That's what it is. Ergu desak bu kamek desak böyle nançevet. Meçini tartış, meçini. Ne? Daha çevir. Ya. Teletif araç. Teletif. God bless fuel injection, huh?
Distributor cap.
We tried? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now you suffer one my time. Buy it.
Blue wire.
Yeah, how about this? The black one. You don't want to put it? You can try, yeah. This, you want to put this or no?
Oh yeah. Now it should start. Let's see if it's gonna start.
1 minute, give some timing, maybe need timing. Now. No power, no power. No power. It's burning again. Coming black.
Oh, yeah.
This very strong, they burn the shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's coming smoke again.
Yeah, it's
look.
frying.
This very strong. You can use it. They burn the point again. Put a regular, man. Don't. You need the electronic for this. You don't need point for this. I try a lot that way. It's too strong. This.
Yeah, MSD. That shit burnt it right back up.
Use the regular.
So now y'all know. Y'all trying to use MSD on the Mini. That blaster, it's gonna blast your distributor wires. Look at that. Look like Wesley Snipes in there. Look how black it is up in there, man. Damn. That thing gonna burn the wires up. It was burning, but it didn't burn the wires up like it did last time.
Coil.
That thing on there on slow. So now we're gonna do it without the MHD blaster. And it should start. We're going back old school again. Old MHD again. You know what I'm saying? MSD. Go back with the old school box, you know what I'm saying? Cause that new one is just a little too much powerful, man. It's too powerful. Is it grounded right now? Yeah. A millennial driving stick shift. Look at this shit. He stopped. He stopped again. Moving some up, man. You still gotta come up a little more. Damn, all I smell is clutch. Damn. Oh man, that's hilarious. There you go, you finally got it. Only if cameras could smell. I gotta give you a stick shift lesson. Roll the window down. I'm gonna give you a stick shift lesson. Alright, so.
You smell that?
Yeah, that's your ass burning the clutch. So now you see there's 3 pedals on the floor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know why a car stalls out?
No.
A car stalls out because it's not getting enough gas. So that's the reason why a car stalls out. So look at it like this. When you're giving it, when you're gassing the car, you have the foot on your clutch, right? Like that. You have your foot on your gas like that, right? Give it a little bit of gas, at least like, I could say like 1,000 RPM. 1,000, maybe 1,200 RPM, then start letting off the clutch while you give it 1,000 RPM. That way the car is always gonna have fuel and you're not gonna burn the clutch because you're not giving it that much RPM. So only give it like, I say like 1,000 to 1,500. And then start letting off the clutch while you're doing it, and then you won't stall. You won't stall any car ever again in your life once you get that down. So just know, a car stalls because it does not have enough fuel.
Gotcha.
See, lesson learned today, man. This is the perfect truck to learn on, though. So I'm gonna put the distributor back up to that thing, man. You know what I'm saying? So it can distribute almost a little bit more than. Damn, there it is. Yep, there it is.
Okay. There you go.
Bam, give it a little timing. Put the cap on that thing.
Magnetic.
Yeah. This one we're gonna put power here, and this is here. That's
I
it.
got it, yeah.
This one we can take out. If it works, then we can put that one or screw that one. Just leave this. Better, just leave it. Huh?
That's for the MST box, not for this. Just
Lucas, maybe the Lucas one.
Lucas, this Lucas.
Oh, it looked like it wanted to start.
Let me put.
Hold up.
Hang on. But now, see my time, Zark.
Oh, yeah. It's about to start now. With the old MSD.
Zark.
Oh, yeah.
Zark. Push the gas. Push gas. Push, yeah. Oh shit, I like smoke. Oh fuck.
do a few other times like this.
Shot. Shot the neighbor.
Sounds good. Sounds good. When it first started, it was sounding like trash, bro. A little bit of tuning, a little bit of adjusting, a little bit of adjusting the what do you call that thing? The distributor. Adjusting the distributor, adjusting the gas, adjusting a little bit of everything. And now it's running good. He's still doing some adjusting up there, but so far so good. And we got a runner, see?